Question number 85 of the ID password exam from PhilNITS. We are now in the strategy portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is the appropriate explanation of a technology roadmap? Let's highlight the key phrase, technology roadmap. To answer this question, we'll of course need to read each and every choice that we've got. Let's start with letter A. It's saying that it's a description of the required technology for the implementation of the shortest route search function that is used in systems such as a car navigation system. It has definitely something about a route, which is something that we can also think about when we see the word road. But I think the part about the car navigation system is not necessarily the technology that we are going for. So it seems like this one is an unlikely answer. And so we'll look at the other choices and see what the rest are saying. Letter B. It is a list of software technology that is used in the development process for a business system. It seems kind of okay because it has this development process, and then you got a business system. Actually, this part about a list of software technology, it was only later on after I've gone through the remaining letters, the remaining choices, that I went back and thought that really B couldn't be the correct answer because it's saying it's a list of software technology. And I think there's something much better in terms of answer in the choices available for us. And so what I did was put a mark here or just take note of it and then see if there's an even better answer. And so we go to letter C. It's saying it is a description of the technology that the human resources of an information system department should learn for each career path. This one, I think, is definitely not the answer because it's talking about human resources, which means personnel, and then they've got to learn something for their career path. I think this is uh, completely not the correct answer because we're going for the technology and not necessarily the personnel. Although this one does have the technology word too, and seems like focused more on the human personnel aspect, the human resources aspect. But I think going um, forward and looking at the remaining words that it has, I say going forward, but I mean if we attempt to understand it, it's really more focused on the human resources aspect. Letter D. It is a description of a technology in the relevant field that is anticipated to be implemented in its implementation timeline. Implemented, anticipated, we got to put the word anticipated to be implemented in its implementation timeline. I think this is the best answer. We got timeline, something about anticipation. So these are clues. The words here are the clues to help us find out what the correct answer for the roadmap. And of course, it has the technology word here for the relevant field. So it's like if you look at the words here, it's telling you that if there are keywords, it's giving you quite a lot. So it seems like if you look at the other choices, they don't have that number of keywords telling you that I'm the right answer, because the other choices do have some of the keywords, but not as much, and they got other words that seem to be not necessarily what we're going for. Maybe they're a specific field, and they could be a possible answer, but I think what we're going for is something more generic. something more general. And in letter D, we have something about it's a description of technology in a relevant field. So it's not only for the car navigation system that we could be working on, and it's not only about the human resources who may need to um, learn a few of those technologies for their career path, and it's not just a list of software technology. So letter D is the best answer for this number.